Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix fast charging not working on your HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro. So as you guys know, the HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro has a HUAWEI SuperCharge up to 100 watts. And the super fast charging is basically compatible with 20 volts and 4.4 amperes or 10 volts and 4 amperes. Also more like 10 volts 2 and 0.25 amperes. And it also supports a 9 volt and 2 amperes fast charging. So to make it work, the HUAWEI SuperCharge cable and charger brick is required. So you need to have the original cable and the charger, and if you don't, then that might already be an issue. But if you do, then you guys need to check the cable and the charger for any damage. Even if you don't see any damage, then that might be just the internal damage of the, let's say, brick or a cable. So after that, what you guys can do is go over and clean the charging port. So here we have the charging port at the bottom. Now we cannot use a metallic tool while cleaning it. So I'll use the SIM tree opener as an example. Imagine if we just stick it right here and start messing around. Then it won't make any sense. So we will just damage the port and we don't want it. And after that, what you guys can do is make sure to test it with another fast charger or an outlet. Even though it's only working for the HUAWEI SuperCharger, I would recommend checking the other chargers too. Not the one that you were using that is not original if you did, but the different one. So what you guys can do as a last resort is update your software to fix any charging glitches, because of course it might be the software issue, and you can fix it by going into the settings and scrolling all the way down to system and updates, then clicking on software update. Here you need to make sure that you run the latest version of the HUAWEI MUI. If you do, then that's great, and if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to update your software, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.